Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we're going to be breaking in, I think I talked about it last video. This thing has got me excited from start to finish. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Not only is the YouTube channel growing, but over on Discord our community is growing. So the other day the question was posed of how to help with this problem, and it's actually this person right here, Tasso, just is learning Python and has joined the Discord community and had an issue, and we all jumped in. And the more I looked at it and the more I thought about it, I thought it was a fantastic problem to handle. Oops, let's see. There we go. There we go. All right. So it's an escape room challenge. You're going to have 5 lives, and then here's also the challenge. So it has a looping issue, and then it has a messaging loop issue, and then it has a checking to see if you have it. It's just phenomenal. So let's just jump into it. So all right, when you guess wrong, you have 5 chances to guess between 1 through 5, and here's the caveat. It changes. So you have to I thought it was great. So not only do you have to loop through, so let's just go ahead and get after it. All right. So there's the message. We're going to just call it door game. No information, so it's already been decided for us that you're going to have 5 lives. Then, so we're going to be looping through while the life is greater than 0. All right. Then what do we want to have happen? So, all right. So each time, let's bring in random. Import random. So if you're just joining us today for the very first time, we typically do micro videos, but this channel has been evolving, and that is what is the most intriguing thing. And in our chat on Discord the other day, it was me, Tazo, and 3 others, I believe, one of the moderators, and we were all going through, and I was just kind of watching how this was developing, and I let it play out. And the more I looked at the issue, the problem, the more intrigued I was. So all right, so we're going to test and see. So we got random, randint, and it's going to be 1 through 5, and these are inclusive on both ends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to have 5 choices. All right. And then each time through, the life is going to be decremented by 1. Now let's go ahead and get the guess. But I want to throw in some kind of debugging right here. Door and door. So I can keep up with it and test to make sure that, and then life. Oop. All right, I spelled life right. All right, so now we got to take in information. We got to take a guess in. So we know we got to take in int, input, and enter a digit, and select the right door. All right, let's slide this over so we can see. There we go. Now, what is our next issue? This is how I attack this, so it could be clean and clear, because you want to have this flow happen. So we're going to use something right here, door not equal to guess, and I'll explain to you why. Then continue. So what is more than likely, what's the probability of what's going to happen, really? Typically, the guess is going to be wrong. So this is why I have this at the top. So then I can control this and kick this straight back up here. So I'm doing a while loop, and so more than likely, the guesses are going to be wrong. So I want to test that first. And then if the guess is wrong, I want you to kick it up here and continue on. So now let's say that they might get it right. Okay, so, and these are all, I didn't change any of the messaging that was done. I'm just borrowing. You managed, I loved this. And this is what and this individual, Tezo, was very concerned about not knowing what to do, didn't know where to start, and then spit out this awesome puzzle. And I just could not be more excited. All right. Now here comes our dilemma. First dilemma. Do you want to play again? All right. So now you could get stuck in a loop issue right here, which I think I saw at one point. And then also there was one practice of calling the function again. I want to stay away from that because that's recursive, and you could make this for the life, but that's not how it was originally designed. So let's see where I am. So do you want to play again? All right. Now we need to pose this. Oops, I need to pose the question, and we know how to do this. Yes or no. Now, I added this, so we're going to be very explicit in what we want, and then I'm literally going to chop off. So I'm going to take this string, I'm going to lower the response, lowercase, so I don't care if they type uppercase or lowercase, and then I'm literally only going to check the first character. And let's see. Yes, I know. If Q equals Y, then we're going to check this out. Look at how I solved this. Else, now, let me do this, because I loved how this was originally designed. Very great use of I love this. You lose all your life. The correct door. I thought this was a great touch. What is door? All right. So now, this will now catch once you'll get your else, so it's protected that it won't happen throughout the script. It will only happen when this fails. Outstanding use of else. Now we have a dilemma of if they just don't want to play again, because if you don't do anything, you have an issue. So now this is how, and just kind of game over. And print just a little message, thank you for playing. Now watch how I solve this issue. So after we're done, I break. So I break out of this loop and do not pop this message. And let's see, I think I got out, and I got one dilemma here. I'm going to have a bug here, and we're going to fix this in a minute. I want to show you. All right, and I forgot to call, what do we call this, door game? So, okay, door is not defined online. Door Door. Aha. Here we go. So I forgot to take my random and did not assign. Oops, let's clean that up. All right, so I have my things over here. So I have 4 lives, so I'm going to guess door 1. Okay, then still door 1. Door 5. And then, yes, I want to play again. Okay, so now I have my door 3. Door 3, let's keep guessing 1. Door 2, 0 life. And then I'm going to guess 1 again. You lose. Boom. And I did yes. And then now let's check our no scenario. 5, 2, do you want to play again? No, jumped out. So now, but I have an issue with, oh, I wanted a message here. That was it. I forgot this. Guess again. Perfect. So I guess 4, guess again, but if I go and die at the end, then I'm going to have a little bit of a problem. Let's see. 3, 3, 3, and I'm still guessing again, and then I go and I guess 3 again. I get a guess again. And for best practice, we need to move this, or for flow. So I don't want guess again to show because I can't make another guess. So now I need to do an if life greater than 0, then I can print guess again. So now let's check this. And now I have 5 lives. So I'm going to guess door 1, door 3, door 2, door 1, door 1 again. I'm dead, and I have no guess again message because right here, please enter guess again, you lose. So now I have enter number, no guess again, you lose. Fantastic problem. So if you have not joined our wonderful little community, I just want to give you guys an idea of these are the type of things that are going over on Discord. So wonderful question, wonderful community. Just can't say enough how excited I am of the direction we're going. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you're staying tuned until the end and checking these videos out. Please leave any comments, questions, video requests. Hope to see you over on Discord. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.